Do you ever crave sweet treats at night? Well, what if I told you that there was a recipe that would kick those sugar cravings, be keto friendly, and be an anti-inflammatory? Well, if that sounds like something you'd like, then today is the day for you to watch my video. Let's go. Boil your water so it is piping hot, and then pour it into your mug. Then take your cocoa powder and stir it in so it's not all clumpy. So the reason why we're using cocoa is not only because it tastes amazing, but also because it contains theobromine, which helps reduce inflammation in our bodies. Plus, it tastes so good. Now stir in your turmeric. So the reason why I add turmeric into this hot chocolate is because A, it tastes good, and B, it contains curcumin, which is a super anti-inflammatory. Turmeric is like one of the best anti-inflammatory foods that you could possibly have, but you also don't need too much of it a day to really get those benefits. So that's why I put it in. Next, add in your black pepper. So black pepper is really important because it contains pepperin, which helps the absorption of the curcumin and stops your body from just pooping it out. Now add a dash of cinnamon because it also contains anti-inflammatory properties, and I just like it. Add your sweetener of choice. Today I'm using monk fruit sweetener because I like to keep it low carb, but it's your choice. Now add in your favorite milk. Today I'm using coconut milk because I love the natural sweetness of it, but you can use whatever you like. Just make sure it is warm. Now taking a whisk or a fork, stir it all up so there's no little clumpy bits, and you are done. And there you have it, a tasty, anti-inflammatory, keto-friendly, sweet treat that you can enjoy at night right before you go to bed. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please remember to like this video, and if you want to see more videos just like this one, subscribe to my channel. Anyway, until next time, see you later.